So today I want to talk to you about sales, specifically about conversion rate. One of the most useful things to know in any business is what is your sales conversion rate, and by that what we mean is how many leads do you receive, how many of them do you convert into sales. So as an example here, you get 10 leads, you convert 2 of them into sales, into customers. That's a 20% conversion rate. And what we're often asked by business owners is help generating more leads. It's one of the most common requests we get. Help me get more leads. But in a situation like this, which is pretty common, you're better off improving your sales ability to look at the systems and processes, your sales process, assuming you have one, and improve that rate. And you know, we often work with business owners to see what is their conversion rate, and we ask them to start with and say, oh, it's probably 70–80%. And when we analyse it, we find it's actually only about 20%, which from their point of view, they think is terrible. From my point of view, I love it because it's pretty easy to improve conversion rate once you know what it is. So that's the starting point. So my name is Pickering. I'm a business coach, and I help business owners in the Reading area to improve the conversion rate and increase the sales.